Poke, United States. Poke is a Hawaiian dish that has become popular in the United States in recent years. It consists of diced raw fish, typically tuna or salmon, that is marinated in soy sauce, sesame oil, and other seasonings, and served over rice. Other ingredients such as vegetables, fruit, and nuts may also be added to the dish. Poke, pronounced poke, is often served as an appetizer or as a main course, and may be enjoyed on its own or as part of a larger meal. It is a popular choice at Hawaiian and seafood restaurants, and can also be found at many supermarkets and convenience stores in the United States. To make poke at home, you will need the following ingredients. 1 pound raw tuna or salmon, diced into small cubes. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 1 teaspoon rice vinegar. 1/2 teaspoon sugar. Salt and pepper, to taste. 2 cups cooked rice. Toppings of your choice, e.g., diced avocado, seaweed salad, sesame seeds. Instructions. 1. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, sugar, salt, and pepper. 2. Place the diced fish in a large bowl and pour the marinade over the top. 2. Mix well to coat the fish evenly. 3. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, or up to 2 hours, to allow the flavors to marinate. 4. When ready to serve, spoon the marinated fish over the cooked rice. 5. Top the poke with your choice of toppings, such as diced avocado, seaweed salad, sesame seeds, or any other ingredients you prefer. 6. Serve immediately and enjoy.